What if I told you there is a simple trick in coming up with a social media carousel that people want to see? Follow me as I take you through. So here you come to create, and then you go to social media, then you can choose 4 by 5. When you choose 4 by 5, the simple thing you do is you come to, here is the trick, you come to design, and then you go for, it's a tech industry, tech carousel. And here is the trick, you can see different carousel styles, right? And just choose the first one, and then apply all 6 pages. What happens is that you now begin to have all the carousels here. You can see them, right? All the carousels in a simple tap. What do you do then? You begin to customize, right? You can now go to Gemini, and then you type carousel content for AI invasion. Then you begin to have all the slides. So you have slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, slide 4. So what you do is you come back to Canva, and then visual computing. You can now change it with what you have here. The AI invasion isn't coming, it's already here. When you select that, you bring it here, you reduce the size because the text is so much, then you put it here. And you see that it's already here, then you increase the size. You can delete this and then readjust this. Work on the space, and the AI invasion will come, it's already here. So that becomes your first page. If you have an account, you can just change it to at Sellytech. You can delete this because it's not needed. Then the next, you can copy this Sellytech and apply it to all the pages, right? All the pages. All the pages. All the pages. You can delete this so that you can have access to this. Okay, then you come back to the first one. Now let's continue with the second. So number 1, then we come back here. Then you copy the first heading, bring it in here, you paste it there. And then you come to the subordinate text, you copy it, you paste it here, you copy all, you delete and you paste it there. Adjust very well. Then you delete these. You come to the next one, you copy the third slide, you get here, you paste, you reduce it a little, and then you can now go for subordinate text. You bring this one to here a little, copy all, Control A to copy all, then you paste, you delete the other bullets down there, and then you do away with the logo here because you want to customize it and make it yours. And then you come here, do away with the logo, do away with the logo. You come for the next slide, you put it here, and then the subordinate text. You go back there and then you paste it in there. Then you come to the next one, /5, the human edge. You copy that as well. And then you paste. Then you come to the subordinate text. Copy. And then we can now go back to the last one, the call to action. You can reduce this a little and then do this. You can work on deleting the logo here, that it can be customized to your design. Exit all the logos. And then copy this effect and put it at the places where they were deleted. Copy and paste. Paste here as well. So now we have our carousel. Let's view it. The AI invasion isn't coming, it's already here. But what? Wait, should I be worried? No, not about the robots, but about the person who knows how to use them. Realize that on this page there are bullets down there, right? So we go back and then we clean the bullets, right? Clean all the bullets. Good. So now let's view again. Not about the robots, but about the person who knows how to use it, right? And then the next one, the next one, the next one. Hooray! We have been able to successfully make a very captivating carousel. So this is a trick that many people don't know. This trick can help you create captivating carousel that people want to see online. Thank you and see you again in our next video. Bye bye.